Director of Tourism C.V. Darlong Dengdo announced the launch of the second edition of the Indian Responsible Tourism State Awards Meghalaya 2024. The Department of Tourism aims to promote responsible and sustainable tourism in Meghalaya. He also said that the awards will recognize excellence in 7 categories, including homestays, travel agencies, food and beverage, architecture, grassroots heroes and cultural ambassadors. This initiative encourages and acknowledges responsible tourism practices in Meghalaya, showcasing the state's commitment to sustainable tourism development.
The stated objectives of the Meghalaya tourism policy is to promote responsible and sustainable tourism. It's very important for a state like ours in Meghalaya with abundant natural beauty to promote and recognize those who are promoting and who are taking care of nature and who are looking at sustainable and responsible tourism. So keeping in line with the Meghalaya tourism policy of 2023, we are happy to announce that we have partnered with Outlook Responsible Tourism, which has pioneered Indian Responsible Tourism Awards at the national level, and this is the state level awards which we are announcing today, the second edition of the awards. And we have 7 categories, that is homestays, B&Bs and guest houses, travel enterprises, food, architecture, grassroots heroes and cultural ambassadors.
On the morning of September 2nd,